In this video, we're going to be doing some cleaning to get ready for the holiday season. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump right into this video. All right, all of it is mopped, shined. I like using that Grove Collaboratives floor cleaner. It leaves it a shine. The curtains are in, but I am changing the sheer curtains, so they will be up soon. And the room is all mopped, shined, and cleaned, and getting ready for the holidays. I love that shine that it puts on the floor. That's just me. I mop and then shine. I think it comes out really pretty. And this plant, I'm really working on it. I'm not a plant person, and God knows I'm trying with this plant, but it's still alive. Next, I'll be cleaning the glasses in this china cabinet. I think I'm going to take the top row out and clean them. They need to be cleaned. And then here are my other glasses and the other curio, neat and tidy. And here's my favorite mirror. And I've been thinking about adding a table right there in that spot. Not sure, a small table, not sure. Who knows what I'll do in here. But I know the next thing I'm going to be doing is hanging up the new curtains that go in, the new sheer curtains. And then this room will be complete for the moment. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the subscribe button you see down below. Give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying you be blessed.